few persons have been injured after rocket missiles were shot into Maiduguri, the capital city of Borno State. The Saturday morning incident happened at 4 different locations at Ayafe Street of Gumari Airport and 1000 Housing Estate. Some residents interviewed said it occurred during Fajr prayers before the monthly sanitation exercise. No casualty was recorded in the course of the explosion.
There was 2 to 3 bomb blasts, and the last one fell in our compound. So it hit my car and it burned it to ashes. Then it affected some part of the building, which is the roof and the ceiling suspension, and all the glasses in the houses have broken. I was inside my room when it happened. It was early in the morning, around some minutes after 6. That's when it happened.
This thing has really touched my heart because it falls direct into my brother house. And we thank Almighty Allah for protecting all the community because there is no any casualties, just a 6 months old girl. Yeah, but she's okay now.